Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Cambridge Chemistry channel with Sarwat Ahmed. Uh, I will be solving common errors found by the candidates in paper 1 multiple choice question 9701 from October to 2019. 1-2 paper. So most common mistakes are question number 2, question number 2. In this question, it should be assumed that ammonium dicarbonate, hydrated ammonium carbonate, dissolves in water without causing an increase in volume. Which mass of hydrated ammonium carbonate should be added to 800 centimeter cube of water to form a 0.100 mole per decimeter cube solution of ammonium ions? So, ammonium carbonate, CO3, H2O, when dissolved in water, gives 2 ammonium ions plus CO3, 2 minus ion. So we know that moles of, let's calculate the moles of hydrated. N is equal to concentration into volume, 0.1 into 800 divided by 1000. N is equal to 0.08 moles of ammonium ion. So mole ratio 1:2, X ratio 0.08. So X is equal to 0.04 mole of ammonium carbonate dot H2O. So mass in gram is equal to mole into mR. 0.04 into 114. This is equal to 4.56 gram. A option is correct. In this question, you should assume the vapor behaved as an ideal gas. 0.175 gram of volatile liquid produces a vapor of volume of 4.50 into 10 raised per 2 minus 5 meter cube at 100 degrees centigrade at pressure 1.013 into 10 raised per 2 5. What is the MR of the liquid? We know that PV is equal to nRT. PV is equal to mass over MR RT, and MR is equal to MRT divided by PV. So we know that MR is equal to 0.175 gram into 8.314 into 373 Kelvin divided by 1.013 into 10 raised per 5 Pascal into 4.5 into 10 raised per 2 minus 5 meter cube. So this is equal to 119 gram mole inverse 1. So this is C option is 11. Hydrated aluminum ions undergo the following reaction. Uh, this is the reaction. Which statement about this reaction is correct? Which statement about this reaction is correct? Water and aluminum hydrate are conjugate acid base pair. No, this is not conjugate acid base pair because this is hydrogen donor. So in this case, offer hydrogen donor. So this is not correct. Uh, Water is acting as an acid as it donating H positive ion. So this is water is acting as an acid. No, this is not correct because H2O, when hydrogen ion is added, hydronium ion is formed. So this is so if OH ion is added, the equilibrium will move to the right. If OH ion, yes, this must be correct because if OH ion if OH ion, so H3O positive to form water. It means H3O ion is going to decrease. Kc value as the pH is varied. Only changes with temperature. So C option is correct. Question number 20. Structural isomerism and stereoisomerism should be considered when answering this question. How many isomers with formula C5H10 have structures that involve pi bonding? So let's try isomer 1, C double bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pent1E and this is pent2E. Number 2 is this is pent2E. Number 2 is cis isomer 3 cis pent2E, and fourth isomer is trans. This is 1 and 2, 3 trans-pent-2-ene. Fourth isomer is 2-methyl but1-ene. This is fifth isomer is, there is another possibility, three-methyl but1-ene, and sixth one is 2-methyl but2-ene. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 isomers. So D is correct option. Question number 32. A carbon monoxide molecule has 3 bonds between the carbon atom and oxygen atoms. Which features are present in one carbon monoxide molecule? So which features are present in one carbon monoxide? 2 lone pairs of electrons. So 1 lone pair, this is carbon and this is oxygen molecule, and this is oxygen, and 1 lone pair by this. So this whole lone pair shared with carbon. So this is the structure of carbon monoxide. 1 lone pair with oxygen. So this is oxygen and this is 2 lone pairs of electron. This is correct. A coordinate dative bond formed from oxygen to carbon. This is also correct. 2 pi bonds. Yes, this is also correct. So when triple bonds are there, one is sigma, this is pi, and this is also pi bond. So 1, 2, 3 are correct. The option is A. Bromoethane undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. Which statement are correct? Bromoethane reacts with aqueous sodium hydroxide to make ethanol. This is correct. Ethanol. Sodium hydroxide to form ethanol. This is bromoethane. Partial negative, partial positive, and this is OH. And CCOH. plus Br negative. Bromoethane reacts with, this is correct. Bromoethane react with NH3 to make ethyl amine. This is also correct. SCCBr partial negative, partial positive, NH3 to form CCNH2. So ethyl amine is formed. Bromethane react with KCN to make ethane nitride. This is also correct. Like CCBr partial positive, partial negative, KCN CN to form CC and cyanide plus Br negative. So this is also correct. A option is correct. If you like this video, please share this video and subscribe my channel.